Its 10.2 megapixel sensor, combined with an advanced 22-bit AD converter, produces images with exceptionally rich color gradations and true-to-life detail. The innovative in-body shake reduction system provides remarkable stability, ensuring sharp, blur-free photographs even when shooting handheld with long telephoto lenses or in low light. Built for adventure, the camera's body features an impressive 72 seals, making it highly resistant to both dust and inclement weather. An integrated dust removal system actively works to keep the sensor pristine by using a special coating and a vibration mechanism to shake off and trap stray particles. The camera's thoughtful design and original hyperprogram exposure system give photographers intuitive control and the ability to react quickly to changing scenes. A significant advantage for photographers is that the camera's stabilization works flawlessly with an extensive collection of legacy Pentax lenses dating back decades.